In this lesson, I will explain to you how you can calculate future value by using Microsoft Excel. So here I have set two very simple examples. Suppose you are investing or you are saving $2,000 in your saving accounts per month for the next 14 months and bank is offering you for a 5% interest. So what amount you will receive at the end of 14 months. So keep in mind again, the formula start with equal to sign. Here we are using the future value. So you have to write down FV future value. You can write down either in lowercase or uppercase, then double click and first is the rate. So you have to click here rate and you can see here these are the months. That is why we have to convert this rate into months by dividing by 12 and then you have to put comma, months are 14 and then again comma, there is no need for the PMT. Here is the next is the present value. So click on the present value which we are going to save per month, that is 2000. After this, the important point is that you have to put comma two times. When you will put comma two times, you will see we have two options here. One is 0, other is 1. 0 means you want to calculate your interest at the end of the period, or 1 means beginning of the period. So we are going to write down 1 here as we want to calculate our interest as soon as we deposit the amount. Close the parenthesis and press enter. So you will see our amount will be after 14 months $28,891. If you do not want dollar sign here, so in the home tab number group, this is the comma, click on the comma, it's gone. If you do not want this minus sign either, then what you have to do, see in the formula which starts equal to future value, after equal to you have to put minus. Negative is equal to negative future value and then write down, then there will be no this negative sign. Now this is another example. Suppose we are paying premium, suppose we are taking the life insurance and the company said that we have to pay 10,000 for next 10 years. After that we will get 6% interest. So what amount we will get after 10 years? Again, it's a future value. So you have to write down FV, double click, our rate is 6%. See, this is yearly interest and we have 10 years as well. That is why we are not going to divide interest by 12. We are not going to convert monthly. Here click on the years as well, put comma, this is our premium. Now again important thing, 2 times comma and then we have to write down 1 because we want to calculate our interest as soon as we give our premium. Close the parenthesis, press enter. So after 10 years at the rate of 6%, our premium is 10,000. We will get 139k approximately, and with the dollar sign, if you do not want dollar sign, just press comma here. I hope the concept is clear how to calculate the future value. Please practice it, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.